Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how to change your name on iPhone or your iPhone name in simple steps. Keep watching this video till the end. Meanwhile, do like and subscribe to my channel. I provide excellent tech tutorials. So anyways, let's get started. So if you're looking to change the name in your phone, you can just go to the settings icon. Just click on that. And once you are here, you can just click on the name that is on top. You can just click on that. And here you have this personal information. Just if you want to change it, just click on the personal information section, and here you have this name that you can go ahead and change. Just click on that, and then you can choose whatever name you want. Just write something, write your real name down, and just go ahead and click on the tick mark. Then you're good to go. But I'm not going to be changing mine. So this is how you change your name in your phone. If you want to change the name of the phone as well, so you have to click on settings and go down to general. Just click on that, and here you'll see the about section. Just click on that, and here you can see the name of the phone. So if you want to change the name of the phone, just click here and you can put in whatever you want and just press enter, and that way you can also change the phone. So this is how you can make changes to your name as well as the phone name. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do like and also subscribe to my channel. I make amazing tech content. Thank you and have a nice day.